Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another simple tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your YouTube channel from your mobile device. So without any delay, let's start our videos and first go to your YouTube app. Now click your profile icon on top of your right, just click here and you can see the option manage your Google account. Just click that option. And now you can see the option in this page, data and privacy. Just click that option here, and now you have to scroll down and find delete your Google service. Yeah, here is the option. This is the option. Just click delete a Google service. Now you can see I have to put my Gmail password. All I have to do is put it here and select next. Now you can see the option delete here. Just click this option and you can see the option I want to hide my channel or I want to permanently delete my content. You can either select this one and select this one. Just select this option and your channel will be deleted. Just select this option and your channel will permanently deleted. And that is it for today's video. I hope you like this one. See you guys on the next video.